Hi, I'm Tom Lockhart, SV Product Support for VITA Embedded Systems. SV offers and supports a complete line of VITA 67.1.2.3 interconnects and cable assemblies. One of the most frequent questions we receive is how do we install and remove the VITA contacts from a VITA module? Well, SV has developed a set of tools for each interface type to make this process simple and easy. All the tools can be viewed on the SV website, and they're in stock at our franchise distribution partners. In an embedded system application, there are two halves to any VITA module: the plug-in card, or sometimes referred to as the PIC, and the backplane. I'm going to show you how SV uses standard VITA tools to install and remove contacts from both halves. First, I'll demonstrate how to use SV's VITA tools for the SMPM interface, starting with our part number 500-32-044. This tool is a plunger style used for contact removal on the PIC. We offer a similar tool, part number 500-38-006, for SMPS contacts. They both follow the same process, so throughout today's demonstration, I'll be focused on tools for the SMPM interface. So the first thing we need to do is remove this faceplate, which will allow us to get in the extraction tool. So here we have an assembly where the contacts are in. We're going to take them out, and then I'll demonstrate putting them back in. So here we have the faceplate removed. Now I'm going to use the extraction tool to remove the contact and cable assembly. This is basically a straight cylinder that we insert, and what it does is actually collapses the C-clip that's in there. And you'll hear an audible click, and then we just plunge it out. And you can see then that the assembly and contact are removed. Now, to reverse the process, I will demonstrate contact installation. Here we recommend the use of tool number 500-32-045. They're tweezers. Or you can use part number 500-32-034, which is a press-in sleeve. I'll use the tweezers in this demonstration. Now I will demonstrate putting back in the cable assembly and contact that we just previously removed. We'll use these tweezer tool. Basically, the key is to place it on the heat shrink right behind the contact ferrule. Gives you a nice way to handle the cable, and basically find the hole and insert, and you'll hear an audible click with the C-clip seating. For the backplane, we use tool part number 500-32-007. It's the adapter removal insertion tool, coupled with 532-015, which is a contact plunger removal tool. As noted before, this process is the same for SMPM interface and SMPS. I will now do the demo with tools on the SMPM backplane module. So here we have the backplane module. The first thing that we need to do is remove the removable adapter. We use this collet tool to feed over the contact, and then basically grab it and extract it. Now, to reverse the process, I will demonstrate contact and adapter installation. Here we use tool part number 500-32-045, tweezers, the same ones I used on the PIC, and tool part number 500-32-007, adapter removal insertion tool. So here we will reinstall the contact and cable assembly using the tweezers. And to complete the reassembly, we will now install the adapter. Additionally, we can host a virtual VITA Roadshow where we do a live demonstration of the use of these tools and much more as we dive deep into the full VITA product offering that SV has. If you're interested in booking a VITA Roadshow, please contact us at marketing@svmicro.com or visit us on our website again at www.svmicro.com to learn more.